Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a landing page in ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up the dashboard, come at the top, click on Grow, click on Landing Pages and Forms, and then from here I want you to just go ahead and scroll down and then click on Create New, okay? And then just come here and select a landing page, and we can go ahead and pick from one of these many templates that they have available. So find one that suits you, your needs. I'll pick this one right here. It's called Camden. Click here on choose right there, and then just wait for this to load up. Okay. Now you can go ahead and easily rename this. So let's rename it to Answer ASAP landing page. Okay. We'll go ahead and do that right here. And then after this, you can change anything here. All you need to do is just click on any of these elements and you can actually edit this. Okay, so let's say I clicked on this. I'll change this to, for example, William Hunter. Okay, and you can change everything here. You can add your own elements as well. You can add new pages. You can click here and add a new page. Okay, and then let's scroll down. So here we have Built with Kit. Let me preview this. I'll even show you a way to actually get rid of that. So if I preview this, you'll see that it's actually there. I'll show you how to go ahead and disable that. You just come here and click on it, then just toggle this one off. And now, once we preview, even that is gone, okay? So just customize it, and when you're ready, just go ahead and publish and share it. And it's really that easy to create a landing page on ConvertKit.